Hi, Pluto Army. Welcome to Pluto Metrics BNB Honor World. Today we will guide you step by step how to register on the Pluto Neural AI Call Matrix platform. But before watching this video, kindly join our official Telegram group and official social media channels here. Now let's start the registration process. To register with the Pluto Call Matrix platform, you need a decentralized wallet, DApp. You can use Trust Wallet and MetaMask Wallet. Now we chose the Trust Wallet. Go to the browser option in Trust Wallet and type https://plutomatrix.io/. Now click on the Connect Now button. You will see two wallets, Trust Wallet and MetaMask Wallet. Now click at the top of the right corner three dots and change your blockchain Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Once you update, then again click on three dots and click on Reload button. Then click Trust Wallet and wait for a few seconds. Enter the referral ID 17 and click on Create Account. Click Next and then Confirm to proceed. Congratulations! You have now joined the Pluto Call Matrix platform. Now you will see that the account is activated and you are on your dashboard. You will see your ID number at the top. Just make sure this is done correctly. This is your referral link, which you can copy and share with anyone. Now I'm showing you the process of how to use this platform. You will see X2 and X3 orange boxes, which means that your 1 slot in each matrix has been purchased. So if you want to buy the next slot, you just need to click the empty box beside the matrix. So let's try that. So when I click the box, you will see this page. The other slots are locked and one slot is open. To purchase other slots, you need to click the unlock button. Besides that, you will also notice there's a payment in BNB, BP20. You need to pay that, including some fees to activate the slots like we did in the first slot. There are 12 slots in X2 and 12 slots in X3. You can buy each one of them one by one and activate your matrix. You can also do the same with the X3 matrix. Click the empty space and you will see the lock boxes. You can click unlock and buy the matrix whenever you want to. This is its friends, a very powerful plan, and you can grow your business in this. You can refer your friends and family and invite to this powerful business. Just click copy your referral link at the top and just move ahead. Thank you.